just not how they used to be.
Are you in this short?
I am. They're so stressful. I hate shorts.
Yeah, I mean, just be prepared. You already, because I know you don't want to hear this, but let's see what they
Yeah,
do here at
baby.
see what they do here.
It's like it'll drop and then it'll give up the whole move. I hate that. I just
Yeah, I
gotta
mean,
take profits because yeah, let's just take some profit.
Stop ES buy.
Look at it, giving up half the candle.
yeah.
Can't
I
stand.
mean, it's bouncing at the leg that broke structure. It's bouncing there. That's why I was like, yeah, let's see what they do here. Yeah, they you see the at the low, it took the liquidity at that low, and then this is the leg that break structure. It pulled back into that leg, and I mean, the bears got to hold this, but we'll see.
Yeah, it was actually a good pump from the bottom.
Yeah.
Got over 100 points if you caught it.
Keywords. If you caught it. But everybody else, I mean, I guess if we're going to think about this from a psychological point, everybody that missed that pump, what are they doing right now? What is on their mind? What are they doing?
Oh my gosh, I hate shorts.
Stop ES buy.
Can't even short comfortably anymore. Like, dang.
Like, nope, them days are over.
Like, no confidence in it. It's like, oh yeah, I should be good for about 150, 200 point. Nah, no, you're not.
Just looking at silver right now. Man, silver looking real bad right now, man.
Silver looking
She's
like
looking
a
real
baddie.
bad right now.
She a baddie. She'll take your money.
Boy Smith introduced us. Try this chart. Try this chart.
Charts for everyone. You
That
get
was a
this
good trade,
chart.
man.
You get this chart. Let's see what my friend BBS is saying. We got some dark pool volume we're going into. I think that's why we're getting some pushback on this. Let me see. We got 721 calls. Yeah, I think that's why we're getting pushback right here. So I should probably exit stage left. $722 puts, $719 calls. Fuck.
Yeah,
Dang,
dude. Like I said, man,
I hate shorting
this
now.
area is what got you.
They just turn shorting and it's not fun anymore. It's so miserable shorting.
Yeah.
Dang, man.
Damn, look at all those commissions on Tradeify. I made $950 this morning, and I'm only getting paid $862. I paid $100 in commission almost. That is insane. That is insanity.
Yeah, that is wild.
Stop ES buy.
Can't even short in peace. I just want to short in peace.
Iceberg ES buy.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Smith. I just noticed this. I'm surprised Santiago didn't say anything. Or maybe you did. Let me see. The Nasdaq took out pre-market. The liquidity underneath the pre-market lows. All right. Santiago says, "Hey, yo, what's up, Investor Z?" All right. So Santiago, hold on. What did he say? He says, "You see where the ES is?" Oh, okay. Yeah. Yep. Yep. That's actually where my entry was. My entry was literally right here. So that opening candle for on both sides of the market, the Globex open and the New York open. I wonder if this works. Have you tried looking at the Asia, like every session, what candle or the candle for every session open? Does the market come back and respect that? Excuse me.
Bless you. No.
Yeah, the ES literally bounced at that opening candle. If you got in at the opening candle, I mean, shit, you got the move higher. Like I said, I was here. I was in this candle.
Yes. All right. Let me get out of this while I still got
some profit. Yeah.
It's like pushing my break even. Yeah, let's just get out of this while it's still something.
You can always trail it.
Something. Man, watch this mess dump. If it dumps, I will be highly upset. So it better pump.
Yeah.
Sweep ES buyers. Stop ES buy.
Yeah, there's not many.
ES is at a spot where it could dump, so that's why I was like trail. Just trail it. It could dump. That doesn't mean that it will, but it could.
I mean, there's not many calls and puts on the board right now, surprisingly. And we don't have. It's
Sweep
not like
ES
it's a
buyers.
heavy. We have like no news.
Sweep ES buyers.
Because I mean, if we go from the pre-market, if we measure the pre-market low and the pre-market high, right now price is underneath. Well, shit, you can see it right here. Price is underneath the range. It ran a liquidity underneath this range. So if it holds 800, 780, then we can push. If it holds. All right, looks like I said, if the ES breaks this level right here, then yeah, we're gonna go higher. If it breaks. So I'm watching the ES right now, as always. Dang, Alfred. Stop telling the secrets. I'm just grateful that I was able to make some money in the funded account, and I was able to make that run last night. Yeah, shit. If y'all took that trade last night and let it run, I mean, I came back and looked at the charts and saw the BS NQ did before it hit it, but like, actually, this is also what I wanted to show you guys. Don't ever let nobody tell you that like the lines on your chart. You think the market's gonna respond to the lines on your chart? Look at look how the market responded to my lines. Actually, what is that?
That's the reason why I got out. It came back and touched break even like 2 or 3 more times.
I did it
before it actually made the move.
Don't ever let nobody tell you the lines on the charts don't work. They work. Don't ever let nobody tell you the market literally bounced off of it, bounce, break. The bears. I mean, it didn't touch it for the short, but it almost did. And then it ran all the way up to my target, like that BS that NQ always does, man. So I mean, if I was watching this, I'd have been like, oh shit, maybe I'm wrong. But of course, it was just the NASDAQ being the NASDAQ. I mean, if you look at this as the liquidity right here, this is a range. The market, the NASDAQ ran that range right there. And then it used this range to hit my profit target. My stop was at this was at the opening candle right here. My stop was literally at the top because my entry was right here. But okay. All right, so ES broke that level. If you're not trailing her out, I would get out.
Been out of that short, man.
Oh, you've been out of it?
Yeah. Oh, I bought two? Oh my gosh. Let me close this ish. I did not mean to do that. Damn it, Kraken. Yeah, let's close out that. That's not safe. Why is it two?
Well, I guess now we wait. This is probably the most difficult part of
Iceberg and
trading.
QCell.
Is that coming down off of a high. That's the most difficult part. We had a nice run, and now we have to wait till the market set itself up again. You say you're waiting? Yeah. So the opening range has been formed officially on the ES. We all know that the NASDAQ doesn't care about the opening range, but the ES does. The NASDAQ cares about the initial balance. That's why I used SD2 for a target.
Stop NQ buy. Sweep ES buyers. Stop NQ buy.
Get in two cons on accident. Oh, that's not safe. I should have just scaled out one. Dang. Now she rips.
Yeah.
Wow. Trade management.
Well. Ah, shit, well.
Trade management.
All right, so if I'm in Q, I mean, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out here, but the market decided to do that BS. Would have stopped me out and then pushed up. Or it would have been close to stopping me out, actually. Would have been close. It would have been close. That's too close for comfort, honestly. And then you already know I would have probably, well, I don't think so. No, it does. Like, you don't necessarily need to.
Tap me in, coach. No! You bastard. You're supposed to tap me in. Put me in the game, coach. I hate this market.
Okay. Well, if you wait for a pullback, I know, man. Okay. Hey, just
Damn. 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 That's all I can say.
Kevin Hart down. Damn. That would have been interesting. Oh yeah, and can you unwrap her? She's sitting down. Okay. Yeah, she's playing in her playpen. Okay. She knows. She's supposed to be asleep.
Damn.
Okay.
Stupid noises that this platform's making. 29,891.
Well, okay, this is what I'll do. How much is...
Wow. Wow. Fumble. 719 all the way to 890. It'll come back. It'll come
Baby,
back
come
and
back.
fill your order. It will.
Where's your order at?
841. come back. Just
the market will continue to go up for sure.
Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Looks like they're getting their calls. 722 calls, 721, 719. Oh yeah, they eaten. They haven't closed out yet. Son of a bitch. Do I got orders on the board somewhere? I still leave orders up.
$150, huh?
Well, I'm cooked for the day with missed
What do you mean
opportunity. 29.9.
Oh, how much is it?
That sucks.
They ain't over. I ain't hear no bell.
It's pretty much.
But you just have to. You just kind of just missed this opportunity. And the crazy thing is, you had. That is interesting, dude. Like that's interesting. I mean, if you're gonna turn lead into gold here, you accidentally opened up 2 contracts that just worked, but you closed it.
Did. Yeah, I opened it up at 810 for the long.
Mm-hmm.
I was only trying to go in one though. I wasn't trying to do 2. I probably should have just sold the 1 and then just let it run. But didn't work out that way.
Yeah. Yeah, that's interesting because again, you were quick to close a winning trade, but there are situations where you get into a bad trade and you will stubbornly hold it. I mean, what do you think the difference is between those 2 situations?
Well, difference is that wasn't planned. Like I said, I was only trying to go in 1, but I should have just sold the 1 instead of closing the whole thing. But at the time, price was kind of going crazy, so I just wanted to get out quickly before any pain commenced. And then holding a bad trade, that's just opium and being stubborn.
$150 of risk. That's 6 trades. Okay. Well, right now, the only thing that we can do is wait for the pullback. That's all we can do. Can't do anything else. If we get into this thing aggressively, you already know what's going to happen. As soon as we get into it aggressively, we might as well fade ourselves another account because it's going to go down.
Clap City.
Clap City, bitch. Clap City, bitch. There goes the clapping right there. But price is coming up to the 21 EMA, but I doubt it though. I got the sniffles today. Oh wow.
Baby,
I mean, it
please.
missed it, but it was in the area.
Baby, come back.
You said you was trying to get in at 41, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's a stacked imbalance at 41. It's a stacked imbalance, but it's bouncing at the point of control of the previous candle at 56. But I don't know. I mean, it's bouncing at 56, so I mean, obviously the market is trying to buy there. But the point of control for of the previous candle before the breakout, I'm gonna watch to see how the market reacts around 813, because that's where the point of control is before we had to break a structure to the upside. So that could be a hot spot, 813.
Look at the ES. She's just unstoppable.
Yeah. Yeah. Mom, the ES is trending again. She's doing that thing again, being the stronger asset. I mean, at this point, man, like I said, the only bad side about the ES is that sometimes it just doesn't go all the way. Like it hit my target right here, but if I wanted a bigger move, this thing came literally right back to my break even, and I would have been negative for like 2 seconds after being up about $800. So I'm gonna get in around 813. Let me see what they do around 813. It's like I said, that's where point of control is. Excuse me.
Did you want bacon?
$82. I mean, if you're scalping, that's man, let's jump in on the bay. Okay. The market made a lower low in price. It's rejecting from that 1 hour imbalance. It's rejecting from that 1 hour bearish imbalance right now. Hey, Smith, have you looked at the 60K chart?
I have not.
Look at the 60K chart.
Dang, I gotta log into this other account just to check that out. No.
She don't lie. Well, okay, here's what I'll do. I'll get in 3 contracts. I'll get in 3. Hold on. This is definitely a gamble. The 60K chart, at least that candle is bearish. But structure on the smaller time frame is bullish right now.
Jeez.
All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put 3 contracts here. All right.
Oh my gosh.
But it did it.
Oh my goodness. What the What?
I did it. Never mind. I was trying to get it in the I was trying to do it. No. NASDAQ, you bitch. You bitch. What? NASDAQ, no, come back, please. No. No.
I can't.
No. Come back, please. No. No. No, that was like 150 points or something. That was 50 points just right there. No.
Bastard. That was so unnecessary. My goodness.
I know, dude. Dude, I know, man. Like that is I know. Oh my god.
I guess I should have had my thing lower.
Oh, hold on, it stopped you out?
Yeah, it stopped me out.
I was trying to get in there. I don't know, where'd you get in at? At 41? Yeah, you got in at 41.
Yeah, it actually. Wait, how's that possible?
You caught that short, Santiago?
All right, now
Silver
you just gotta
pushed.
go. Oh my gosh, look at gold. Oh no.
Something just happened. No wonder why it was so quiet. Something happened. My bad, guys. The squawk box is not connected. Something happened. Because silver is going. And you said gold is going?
Yeah, it's up 30 points right now.
Yeah, silver
30
just
point
blasted,
candle.
man. It just blasted higher just now.
These markets, man.
Yep, Santiago. I was actually scrambling to put my limit order literally right there at the midpoint. Scrambling. And it's like, hurry up, sis. Master. Sure, I'm trying to get in at the 50% of the opening candle. What do we do? Wick down. And then immediately push back up. That was a 50, 60 point move right there. Just like that. Just like that, man. Let me see if I can get another taste. If silver gonna give me another taste. Yeah, silver just basically pushed higher. My God. I wonder. I wonder. Should I fade silver? Should I fade this move?
No.
Look at it. Should I fade the move?
No.
Silver basically is trading into that area.
Candles. What the duck?
Okay, I'll huff and puff. I'll huff and puff. I'll huff, then I'll blow your house down. He huffed and puffed. He huffed and puffed. Then he blew the house down.
Take us to the promised land, yes.
Take us to the king. 90. Take us to the king. We don't have much to bring.
All right. Oh, I was about to close it. But yeah, it dropped down. So I set the ID, got the high, the low, the 50, 75%, 25, all that good stuff. It ran down to the 50. It exceeded it a little bit, but that's what wicks do. Liquidity grabs. But if I would have just placed my order there, that would have been a nice little come up versus where I am now. Now I'm in at 43. I'm literally in at like my VWAP is. But we're not getting that push that I want to see. ES is. NQ, of course, is lagging.
NASDAQ, that was so dirty, man. That was dirty, NASDAQ. That was so dirty. All right, so we got the new initial balance. So the initial balance has been officially formed on the chart. We'll see what happens here. We have to respect the initial balance. I mean, I guess you really don't have to respect it, but you will wish that you did. Thank you. Okay. So we're at the initial balance range. It bounced to that level.
Join the dark side.
Mm.
Yes, man. And then that just like last night. Oh gosh, it ticked me off so bad. Oh my goodness, what's going on now? What are we doing?
Mm.
It's like you could see in the candle structure and everything and the price action that NQ wanted to drop, but because
Yeah.
ES was pushing, it was just like, all right, I have no choice but to follow the leader. And that's what was so frustrating.
Yeah.
Let's follow the leader.
Yo, congratulations on that, Santiago. And yeah, you kind of have to do it that way. I mean, that's why I'm good on the intraday accounts, the end of day accounts. I'm not the end of day accounts, the daily takeout accounts, payout accounts. I'm good on those. I'll just trade my 5 days and just take my payout and do it again. Hold on, guys. His daughter's acting crazy.
So looks like we kind of made back. Did it get me out at 26? Is that where I had my? No, I had my stop like way lower. I think it stopped me out at 26. I don't know. I have to go back and look at the trades. Did it stop me out? No, it got me out at 808. So it pushed me lower. That's horrible. My stop was at, I think, 13. And it pushed it down to 808 on that super wick down. Anyway, lots of fumbling going on. I should probably just take this and go call it a good day. Today was a good day. Since we struggling.
Yeah.
We got IB high at 29.9 on the dot.
You know what's crazy?
What's up?
On Ninja Trader 8, I have 985.
985 or 895? Wait, 885. Hold on, I'll be back.
Yeah. Or never mind. My bad. I was looking at the high of day. My bad. Just looking at the high of day here. Well, I mean, I think we can probably get a run on the highs here. But it's going to fail. I think this price action was just a big bull trap. Okay. We'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. See where my limit orders are on the chart. Hmm. All right, we'll see. We will see. Damn, yo. I hate that happened to you, Alfred. But boy, does these small little concepts tend to show up in every aspect of our lives, man. It's the accounts that we don't care about are the ones that go far. The ones we put on a pedestal, those are the ones that run away from us. And boy, does that concept show itself in every aspect of our lives, especially in relationships. But I mean, if you really think about it, it's a relationship between you and this account. So I mean, I guess it's the same thing. But yeah, I hate that happened, man. And just like in pure NQ fashion, she bounces right after she takes that account away, man. It's just so crazy that she does that. Mhm. I mean, as long as you got something to fall back on. But yeah, isn't that crazy? You said it in the sentence, but it's so crazy, man. I stopped trading the ones. That's why I only take one trade a day. For whatever reason, unless this account is designated for entertainment purposes, and that means I'm taking multiple trades just purely for entertainment purposes. If it's not designated as an account like that, I only take one trade a day. That's it. And every time I break that rule, last week, y'all guys saw me up on silver. I was up about $900 on silver, and I told myself, "There's no way I can blow this." Man, I gave back that money and then hit my daily loss limit. I was high on that win. I wanted another taste. I wanted another taste. So I made up a setup in my head just so I can get into a trade. And instead of allowing the risk to reward to play out, I foolishly readjusted my stop with my $900 P&L in mind because I didn't want to miss the move. I didn't want to get wigged out. And that $900 was gone just like that. And the market kept going too. So it was obvious that I just made that shit up in my head. Just to be able to take a trade. So you got another eval to start over? Yeah, see, yeah, that's the reason, Alfred, right there. That is the reason. I'm not doing daily payout accounts. It's hard to justify not getting a payout every day. And if you're justifying getting a payout every day, and then you're forcing trades for the most part, or you're holding too long or whatever, because you have to justify in your mind why you got the daily account. And then if you get the And if you get a daily account and you trade more than one day, you're getting paid out like every 4 or 5 days. And then you're telling yourself, well, shit, I should have just got the other account. And these firms know that. They know your thought process. They do test runs. They talk to people. They understand what a trader is going through. They pay millions of dollars to figure this information out. They know. I'm not saying anything new. It's just hard not to justify getting a payout every day on a daily payout account. Yeah, and I think that's exactly what I do, Alfred. So moving forward, I'm gonna have my Lucid account, but I'm more gonna be focused on Tradify and Top Step. And the reason why I'm gonna focus on Tradify and Top Step is because I can trade the 5 days and I can just take the 50% of that balance without having to worry about a buffer. Tradify does have a buffer, but it's not. You can like once you pass the buffer, it's like Top Step. Once you pass the buffer, you can withdraw from it, and that's what works best for me. I don't like making the extra money. I don't like getting over a buffer and everything over the buffer I can take out as a payout. I don't like that model. Mm. It looks like we're only going to get one trade today. Looks like we're only going to get one trade. Damn. Everything is just shooting higher today.
Come on, NQ, catch up to what? Catch up to ES. What are you doing? This is what I'm talking about. Look at the ES and look at the NQ.
Yeah.
Wow. Just wow. NQ should be at like 30K by now. The way ES going. That just means she'll catch up later.
So what? We should. Damn, ES. It's like that. Damn. I just looked at the ES chart.
I told you.
Oh, I thought you took the trade on ES.
No, I'm in NQ. You know that.
Oh, I thought you you said what?
Begrudgingly, I'm in NQ. I should be in ES. The way it's looking, the way it's moving.
I thought you said, "All right, ES, take me to the king." I thought that meant.
No, I just meant ES. Like, take us there. Help NQ out a little bit. like you've been doing. Like last night, that must piss me off. So I'm just over all of this. And this has been going on for days. It's not like it's the first time where it's like, all right, well, NQ's lagging ES. ES is king right now. Just steady pushing, and NQ's just lacklusterly. Like, well, okay. I guess I'll go higher if ES is going. If ES is going to the dance, I guess I'll go. But she is severely underperforming right now. And it's pissing me off. Because I did get back in long. Granted, not at the spot that I would like to get back in long, but still. Alright, I'm about to just close this. But it's like, alright, if I see ES pushing, NQ will have to get there eventually.
You would think that.
It was like, dang. How much longer you gonna make me wait?
Well, again, we have to take into effect that the Nasdaq hasn't tested the initial balance, but it is right there at 900. The Nasdaq is not historically good at breaking out from it the first time. You can target it, but it doesn't break out of it the first time usually, unless we have like a Trump pump or something.
Trump been mad quiet lately.
Trump, we need you.
Save
We
us.
need you. It looks like everything's selling off except ES. So ES is being super resilient right now. But ES did ran those highs.
I've had enough of NQ. I'm so tired of her BS. Trump, save us, please.
All right, so we could see a drop here, bro. Like it ran liquidity at the highs on ES.
Save us. Yeah. That's why I got out of my position. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, 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 yep.
We'll see what happens at the orb. Or we'll see what happens at this high at 785. We'll see what happens. Might be 785, maybe 786, somewhere in that area, maybe. We don't ever know. Because it broke past that high, so it could pull back to 786 and we could see a reaction. We'll see. The 50 EMA is sitting at 785 on the ES. All right, let's see.
Wins and heartbreaks. That might be it. If it holds the 9. I hate the NQ, man. Got me hating the NQ and the ES for different reasons. Oh wow.
You hate the NQ? The NQ slander? What? All right, let's see if the ES holds here. We'll see.
She better, damn it. That's the biggest down candle I've seen on ES in a while.
Yo, congratulations on that, Santiago. And yeah, this is some weird PA. I mean, it's the PA itself is weird, but the structure is in. So I mean, I guess if you trade within this range, you just set your limits. But if you try to trade outside of structure, yeah, it's weird. Cause it just
724 puts.
I know I saw her freaking monk.
$74 candle drop. Oh wow.
All right, I guess we'll see.
No.
Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong, and I just wanna break even. I just wanna break even. Hmm. You know what? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try here, man. I'm gonna try. I'm getting in. I'm getting in long here. I'm getting long. I'm gonna try because I don't think the market is going to. Because I'm looking at the VWAP band, and it pushed at the VWAP band. So I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna try here. Oh yeah, and it's right there at that opening candle again, huh?
Wow.
But what I won't do is if I think the market's gonna bounce here, I'm not gonna give it too much room for me to be wrong. I just need it to bounce here.
Damn. Yeah, they're trying to cook my account. They're trying.
Well enough. He did it.
He bought.
He went all in.
He went all in.
Okay. All right. I'm all right, NQ. I'm trusting you here. I'm trusting you here, NQ. Take us to the king. We don't have much to bring, but take us there. All right. He'll probably bounce at reject at the VWAP ban or something like that. So price is struggling at the VWAP value area is what people call it.
Come on, yes, you don't gotta go down to your high. You don't gotta do it. You're gonna take NQ with you. We don't need it.
How much capital am I risking? I hate when. I think I'm risking 200 and like $200 here, but
200 amps.
damn. Damn.
All right. I'm cooked. Risking 200 amps.
A good entry is literally where my stop is. I hate when that happens, man. I hate that so freaking much.
I'm on my last leg here. Please. Baby, please. No. I'm getting cooked in real time. Baby, please come back. You could blame it on me. Oh no, she's okay. I gotta do it. Oh no, F liquidated.
Damn. Watch it bounce now. Watch it bounce.
Oh, blocked
Watch it
enough.
bounce. Watch it bounce, dude.
Yo.
Sorry that happened to you, bro.
Yeah.
Watch it bounce, bro. Like,
No way. Okay.
Bogdanov, he's done it.
He went all in. Give him hope. Make it run to his break even. And then dump it.
And then dump it. Okay. So this was my original entry that I should have stuck with. Should have stuck with this original entry right here. Trusting VWAP bands. And then it did bounce to the VWAP band, so I figured well let me try it out this one time. And I should have just stuck with my original entry.
No flipping way.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry about that, bro.
No way. Oh my gosh. Bogdanov, we
Dude,
did
that
it.
is dude.
We did it. Oh my gosh. Son of a bitch.
I mean, it's not funny, but dude, that is fucking crazy. You gotta laugh at a situation like that. Okay, Bogdanov, you got it. You got it.
Oh man. That is something else.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know where it goes though, but yeah.
Should let the dust settle. Yeah, weird price action, no news. So my entry was 808. And then I ended up with a bunch of heartbreak. 808s and heartbreaks. Well, now I got a revenge trade.
Get an Apex account for that shit.
Nope. I gotta get it back. Here's what we're gonna do. I'll be back in the game within a few minutes. Thanks to
Put me back in, coach.
instant deposits.
Put me back in.
Thanks to instant deposits. How much should I go with? Let's go. That is some bull crap.
We lost the song to a woman's heartless. Called the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, how you could be so heartless? How could you be so heartless?
Alright.
NASDAQ, how can you be so heartless? How can you bounce after liquidating our guy Smith and stopping me out? I just had a feeling that my original entry was right. What I was hoping, or like I said, the reason why I changed is because of that VWAP band bounce. It initially bounced at the VWAP band right here, and it ran the liquidity underneath that previous candle where we got that pushback higher. So I figured, well, maybe it wants to run the liquidity underneath that low for the move higher, even though it looked crazy, but I guess I should have just stuck with it. I should have just stuck with it. Homie, I don't know, she's hot and cold. We decide that we both gonna speak, so while we at 3 a.m. on the phone. Cause you already know this thing goes. Never find nobody better.
Leg. 223.82. Bastards. Boom, 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 boom. Should I just trade ES instead of dealing with this BS up in Q?
Rookie, you short? Please tell me it ain't so. This market's about to rotate higher. Bears did get to eat. Y'all ate right here. Yeah, y'all ate right here. Bears got to eat this morning already. I got to feed y'all Cubs. Well, we do got that trend line break though, so I kind of figure why he's saying that.
Someone falls.
So what we get drunk. We just having fun, and we don't care who sees. So what we go on, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young, and free. At least you're not trying to short the ES. The ES ain't trying to hear none of that. ES ain't trying to hear none of that. Cubs, shorts. But I mean, the shorts may work, like I said, because it ran the liquidity, it ran pre-market highs, and then we saw this dump. So it could drop. Ah, man.
Bogdanov, he's back. We trapped him again.
He redeposited. Let the game continue.
He's back? Yes, what do we do? Dump it. But sir... Oh, so Gold just had that little 30-point run and that was it, huh? What the freak?
Oh man, you trying to revenge trade at gold? Damn, bro.
No, I'm not. I just
Yeah,
happened
I
to
was
look
like,
up
please
and
don't.
see it. Yeah, that's just asking for trouble.
Mm-hmm.
At least with NQ,
Yeah.
it's a 50-50 chance.
Yeah.
I hate
Gold had that double top at the highs. And yeah, now you're seeing a drop. Yeah. You're seeing the drop.
Is there potential for
Well,
the outside? Yes, there is.
excuse me. Well, Rocket, we do have the EMAs flattening out here. We do have the 21 and the 50 slope down. So I mean, you could get what you want. I just hope that it doesn't get there yet. Hopefully we can get a TP first, and then after it hits my TP, I don't care what it does after that. But then that means if I get a TP, that means that where are you short at? Are you short at the highs or? Hate for you to be on the other side. I need that liquidity though for the TP.
That liquidity, I need that.
That liquidity, I need that. Yeah, I'm long. I'm long at I limited in at 774. I have a scale in at 76 or 760, and my stop is at 46. Sure at 820. Oh shit. Oh, 820? Well, yeah. It's working so far, damn it.
Oh my goodness. Bogdanov. Dang, they want to take this thing lower before they go higher, huh?
Yeah, our boy Rug Kid might be right. I hate when other people are right and I'm wrong.
Yeah.
I hate it. I was right for like 2 seconds, man. If I was right for 2 seconds. It just didn't hit a TP. I was up about 50 points in that move, but you know how that 50 points ain't nothing. Especially when we trade in the nanos, that ain't gonna be shit. Apparently, that's only going $25, so we know we ain't taking no profits at no 50 points.
I was about to say $25 right there. You might be able to get a fry at Five Guys.
Might, yeah, might.
A large fry. Yeah, so many spots I could have gotten in that would have been better. Now that I'm looking at it. In hindsight, you got value area low right there.
Hindsight.
That one would have really been good. At 719 for it to pop all the way up to 29. Yeah, that's almost a full 200 points almost.
Yeah, sucks. Yeah.
Do 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 do. Bye.
Yeah, if I got him right there, that would have been, yeah.
It's on like 10-15.
I'm gonna let this thing run. I'm gonna let it run. I mean, Red Kid, I don't think it's dumb. She just had. I mean, I feel like it's just more. It's gonna be more stressful.
Yeah.
It's just gonna be stressful to be short.
Yeah, how I was short earlier. You just gotta take your profits when you see a decent return, because, like I said, I hate shorting this market now because nothing follows through. Like it doesn't, unless obviously you were short like pre-market way up here at like 29,980 or whatever. We don't get no real follow through anymore. In the New York session. Don't get me started on London. London.
I don't trade London, so I don't know.
You get into London, you might as well just short. It'll work itself out. Actually, today they did drop it, but it was a liquidity sweep, and then they pumped it up a little bit past the high. And then they were like, okay, that's enough of that. Let's begin our short. We're going to switch it up this time, fellas. We're going to pretend to be long biased, and then we're going to short this thing. And short they did. Yes, take us higher. Can we get much higher? So high. Now I think maybe now we gear up to go higher. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
It's kind of looking, feeling like that, but we got to see follow through. Can we get much higher?
I will do it this week. I will do it. I will follow all of my rules. I will follow all of my trading rules this week. I will do it. I will. Trump. Man, this candle is looking like Trump is about to tweet something, man. It's looking like a Trump tweet candle right here.
The Strait of Hormuz is open. That'd be bad for oil. What's oil sitting at?
Yeah.
Out of curiosity. Let me check her out. Crude, about 80, 90.
Wow. Wow. Did y'all guys hear that?
What?
Did y'all just hear that? Well, I'm
about?
pretty sure you didn't hear it, Smith, but you just said something about we just opened the Strait of Hormuz, and then the Squawk Box just said we had some oil tankers go through the Strait of Hormuz just now, as literally after you just said it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's funny. The strait is open. I did it. I convinced Iran to open the strait. I'm the greatest.
There's no one better than me. Maybe Sherm, but other than Sherm, you should check his stream out. It's awesome.
It's awesome.
Probably the best streams. Probably the best that's ever done it. You can always count on your boy Sherm.
I support Smith and Sherm. No one else. All these other streamers out there, it's fake news. Clap City B, clap City B. Break even B, let me break even B. Hey, I'm in a worse. How did I get in a worse position than when I got liquidated? That's crazy. I don't know.
I think Iran always. I think dude. This has been the talking point with Iran for so long. They have nuclear weapons, dude. There's no way. There's no way. These Iranians are really smart. There's no way that they've been working on getting a nuclear weapon for this long and they haven't accomplished anything.
I don't know. I think
they have something.
I think they would have used it on Israel if they did have it. I don't think they would have pulled any punches on that. I think they would have went all in if they to try to wipe them off the planet.
I can see that or the nuclear option, the last resort. But I mean, I think the reason why no one doesn't use nuclear weapons is because of the fallback. Everybody loses for real. It sets the world back. I mean, they're so close too. If they were to use that weapon, it would also affect them.
Yeah.
But I won't sit here and I won't believe that. They have something. They have something. Like I said, they're very smart people.
Affect the surrounding countries, all the nuclear dust. And yeah, I mean, we seen Chernobyl. They still ain't fully recovered from that. You go down there, it's still radiation.
Radioactive.
Yeah. Damn it, I should have, you know what? Alright, F this position, man. It's time I say F it.
Volkanov, he's done it. He panicked so.
Nah, man, F this. I'm so tired of this. I'm tired of NQ lagging behind when I don't need it to, but then it like pumps when I don't know. I'm just tired of this.
Is this ES trader we're talking to now?
F the ES. I'll go to oil before I go to ES.
Damn.
Shoot. Oil. Oil, baby.
Oh.
This is wild, man. Like just to see how far it's lagging behind too is just crazy to me. Crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of crazy because the NASDAQ kind of just, like I said, it's trading still within the initial balance. So, but I mean, if you look at a NASDAQ chart and an ES chart, obviously the structure is completely different for obvious reasons. I mean, that's the NASDAQ, and this is that Satan's wife, gold. But and this is gold. This is ES. So the ES basically is literally just outperforming the NASDAQ right now. It's making higher highs, higher lows. Right now, it's trading in a range after running liquidity above pre-market highs. But let me make sure.
Got my tool because I didn't pay the $200 for the data. I'm like, sheesh.
What tool are you talking about?
Remember the tool I built that has the
Oh,
futures
yeah,
data?
yeah. Mm.
Yeah. That was an experiment, and I hadn't paid the fee to play the game. I'm like, that's crazy. I mean, I guess if you got it like that and you making profits every day, small fee, it ain't nothing. I'll make that back. uh and now Anthropic got a new version of Opus that's supposed to be better than
Oh, that,
Fable 5.
mm.
Damn.
What's the one that comes with the subscription?
I'm not sure. Because, like I said, they brought Fable back, but it's like credit based now. So you got to buy credits to use it. And then if you run out of credits, you got to buy more just to keep on continuing using it. That was always their plan, though.
Yeah.
Dang it, man. All right. I just got cooked twice. Let me close this before I get liquidated again. Dang shame.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out again too.
Thought we had something special. Thought we were gonna at least go to VWAP.
What?
Good job, Rutkit. Although it did bounce
Boy,
back to
Rutkit.
your to your break even. NQ is just dirty. Because it's like my thinking, I'm like, well, I don't want to bet against ES, and then ES should pull NQ along with it. You know? Just off of that alone.
Well, hopefully this is the push right here. Hopefully that's all it needed right there. It looks like that's a wick. That looks like a run on liquidity right there. Hopefully that's what it was.
Hopefully.
I'm gonna hope.
Because, yeah, I'm in need of a lot of hope and prayer right now that we finally get to push back up. All it needed was that wick down. Because, man, oh man.
We need a prayer call, a prayer circle right now. Rutkit, take your profits, man. Take your profits, Rutkit.
Get out, Rutkit. It's like, all right, I'm out. You can push higher now. And that's the thing with these shorts, though. Isn't this stressful? Because, like, yeah, say you in at 820. You get that push down, then it pops back up, goes back to like 800. Then you're like, dang, now I'm only up 20 points when I could have been up 50, 60.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about, Alfred. I didn't say that. You must be hearing things. This must be some crazy audios coming through your speakers right now. I didn't say anything about taking profits. I didn't say that.
Faulting off. Rutkit closed. He's out. Pump it.
Dump it.
Oh, yeah, they would dump it too. These shorts make you think like, all right, fine, I'm done. I'll take these little profits, and then it drops another 200-300 points without you. Yeah, you look at these ES and NQ charts, looks totally different.
Yeah.
I just don't like it. What is going on in the market?
All right, I'll sit with you guys for a few more minutes and then I get to this meeting.
But
And
yeah,
I know as soon as I walk away from the desk, Trump candle down.
maybe not. Trump candle up. Pump it. The straight is open. The straight is open.
The buyers are trying to buy here. I mean, at least.
I think we're kidding ourselves, Sherm. Unless ES pushes higher, we ain't going higher. ES literally has to put the market on its back.
Yeah, it looks like we could see a rejection at 91, 92-ish on the ES. We could. But the ES is kind of struggling, but the depth of market, there's not really a clear winner here. The sellers are selling. The depth of market shows that there's more selling pressure right now than buying pressure. But as you can see, we're seeing all this selling pressure, but we're not seeing no follow through. So I don't know what that means.
RIP. RIP. Just killed the position. Yeah, it's like buyers don't want to take over from this area anymore. Like they don't think it's valuable enough. There's value here, buyers. Use this opportunity. Wow.
All right. I guess you had to accept it. I hate when other people are right and I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Rug Kid, if you held this. Being a stubborn bear worked out today.
Cooked again. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, we do have CPI this week. And we're back to, I mean, if y'all guys don't know the B story now, we're back to, is the Fed going to raise rates? And we're back to that narrative in the market now. So just anything that would suggest that the market raise rates or that the Fed will raise rates, just understand that good news is bad news and bad news is good news again. That's the B story. The A story is the Strait of Hormuz and the military operation in Iran, even though they call it a war sometimes. But it's a military operation. But it's a war.
I mean, he's been holding rates. Trump wanted him to lower rates, but then they're worried about inflation.
Yeah, this should just kept. Well, I think it was like I think it's more of a. I think it was probably like a political thing. Because this so far this new Fed has been super hawkish, and we're not hearing anything from Trump at all. He's been super hawkish, talking about, yeah, we're gonna raise these rates, damn it, if we got to. And that was the whole point. He got rid of Powell, so it had to have been something else. Because there's no reason. It would just look bad that you're just making all these bad decisions. Like the first big bad decision was the military operation in Iran, and it's just been downhill from there.
Ah, damn
Yeah.
So
All right.
could
Well. All right. I mean, I have to accept that. I have to get stopped out here. Hmm. Or maybe not. Dude, NASDAQ, take me out of. Dude, if you're gonna do it. Shit. Damn. NASDAQ is so dirty for this, man. If you're gonna do it, do it. Nah, NASDAQ wants me to move my stop so she can just flash crash down and take more money from me.
I think we probably get a wick push down and then pop back up. Oh shit.
All right, there we go. See, NASDAQ, I've been with you so long. I know your ways. All right, guys. At least that's gonna be it for me. And then you're gonna bounce after you
A
stop me
wick
out.
push
Whatever, dude.
down. Bounce back up.
Whatever, dude. I think you're streaming right now, right?
I am.
All right. Well, head over to Smith's stream. But that's gonna be it for me today, guys. I do appreciate everybody that joined us this morning. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on jabbing.
Peace, my guy. Yeah, head over here if you want me to watch me get clapped in real time.
All right, guys.
By these shorts. Man. Come on, Bulls. We've seen enough down here. We can call this our double bottom. Let's just call it that. What we got? Yeah, trend line. Let's just call it equal lows. Or not. Dang, that's not low enough, ES? You want to push down lower? Dragging the NQ down with you? All right, all right. Let's see. I mean, at this point, I'm just trying to soften the blow. Let's check out BBS. No gammas. 721 puts. 723 is the area. I should have shorted with Rut Kit, man. NQ is trying. She's trying to push, but ES won't allow it. NQ. ES just will not allow it right now. Down like 1,000,000 points. Where's that measuring tool at? Let's see how that is. Measure. I don't want a percent. Okay, that's like 48 points right here. Golly. So I was down 60, 74 points at the bottom. Sheesh. Now I'm down about 50, roughly. All right, how do I remove this? Nope, that's not what I'm trying to do. This platform is so weird. Bruh. Adobe. Bro, I thought I canceled that. Reset to default. How do I delete this thing? Whatever. Just leave it on here. Now I'm down 34, roughly 30 something points. Got a push by ES finally. Yeah, Rut Kid, this is Investor Z. This is I'm cooked right now. Hopefully, I see ES finally got a green candle. And then ES top wick at VWAP, NQ nowhere near VWAP. Hopefully ES can continue pushing to carry NQ. I don't know why I got in at a worse position than the previous, my previous long that got liquidated. But now I'm down about 32 points and counting. I wish I could add. Don't got the capital to add, so we're just holding on for dear life here. But I need ES to help this along. Six points. Back down to 30. Yeah, I thought we was gonna see 30K today. I mean, the day's not over, but it's looking real few far and in between 30K. Been a good long from 750, 750-ish, which is at value area low and into this delta zone. We'll see. If it can push up to break even, I'll consider getting out and just calling it break even day. But if we got some motion and some momentum to break out and eat this, clear this candle, at least, then we'll see. I'm just looking for 929, 920, but you know, 30K, that'll be nice, but I doubt it right now. Unless we get motion. We gotta get motion. All right, update. Now we're down about 14, 15 points. It only took a 45, 50 point candle to get us here. Down about 10 points. Dang, I wish I would have got in long down there. Now I know. Trust in the value area low and the delta zone. There's mad delta down here. Let me see. I wish I could draw a box. I don't. These tools are. Let me see what we got. These tools are terrible. We're Kraken. But yeah, there's mad delta down here in this area. Positive delta. Yay, we hit break even. Congrats. Let's see some green now, baby. It only took like, let's see, about 70 points to get us here. Okay, got an ES candle, 5.5. We know ES only runs like 10, 12 points at a time, usually. All right, back down. Yeah, Bogdanov giving hope. Bogdanov, we did it. Paint a green candle, go to his break even, and then dump it. It's working. We gave him hope. He's looking for 30K. It's not going there today. Can we at least get VWAP? Like, dang, give me VWAP. That's like around here at 830. 835. It's like half that candle. Let me see. Horizontal 835. Bro, this I hate this platform. Seriously. This is the most foolish platform. Exactly. Gave him break even, gave him that sliver of hope. All right, we about to break out now. Yeah. All right. Nah. That's not in your cards today, buddy. Back down almost 20 points. Dang. That's actually really dirty. It's dirty to do that, but it's to be expected. I should have closed that big, but I knew I wasn't gonna close that. Yeah. So how far did that go? That was like almost 30 points down so far from break even. Yeah, Alfred. Mess is a joke. NQ is a joke. Straight joke. Ugh. Dang, so ES is sitting at VWAP, and they do not. We're about to have an 11 o'clock candle soon. They do not want to buy here, though. Alright. Let's see, where we at? Q. Well, with all these wicks, I mean, look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wicks. 7 if you include this. My break even is literally at the hey, let's sell point. The selling point. If I take this to VWAP, that's only like 19 points. Can we get some solid follow through? We've reached break even, baby. All right, I'm checking black box stocks. We finally got over break even. Here's what that looks like on this platform. We got a gamma level and some dark pool orders at 723. Let's check the. We got 724 puts right here below bid. 723. Got a 725 call. That's hopeful. 721 put. Yeah, we're kind of that one's getting cooked right now. 722 call. So that's literally right here. Well, this is 23. 22 would be down here. All the way down here. So they're eating right now off of this call. 722 puts, 722 calls. And then it could be hedging. They could be doing an iron condor. They could be doing whatever strategy with that. So you don't really know what their strategies are. But we're in this level. This big orange bar is all the dark pool volume. So maybe we take that and we pump off of that. Hopefully. I want to see if we can get to 725 gamma right here. That'd be nice. That'll probably be about equivalent to, I would say, about 920-ish, maybe 925, 920 on the NQ. But we'll see. We got to make it past this, though. 723 call just came in. And these are all sweeps. So they wanted to get their orders in fast. So we'll see. Let's see what happens. Iron Condor, Iron Man, Iron Sheik. Unexpected error. What? Gosh, this platform sucks. What is going on? Oh my god. Do I gotta... I gotta close out and close back in. Like, what are we doing here? Kraken. This is, stay away from this. Unless you want instant deposits, I know that's cool, but this platform is just straight trash. Let me close it out and open it again. Trash. ES breaking out. This might be it though. On the move. There we go. Back down to VWAP. So we gotta push to 849. Is that what that is? Almost just under 850. Rut kit, exactly. That's what I'm thinking. You got they got so actually I told y'all Kraken owns NinjaTrader and Tradeovate. They own it all. Kraken bought NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader bought Tradeovate. But they gotta they gotta get in the think tank and consolidate or just make. I understand you gonna have different platforms because you know people. Tradeovate has their customer base that likes their platform. NinjaTrader has its customer base. But this this Kraken platform is straight trash to me. It's garbage. Uh yeah, this mess is horrible. And it's meant for like crypto trading, I guess. But I don't see how people use this. It's to me it's just trash. I mean it works. It's gotten better. They updated it so because before it was like a trading view clone, but not as good as trading view, but you could tell it the charts had inserted trading views what do you call it, like OS I guess. But yeah, Kraken owns it all, which is crazy. um and when they go public I'm gonna be buying shares. But yeah, Kraken owns Ninja. They bought NinjaTrader, and we know NinjaTrader bought Tradeovate, so they own it all. But they got to do better. This is, I mean, like I said, there was an update. They improved. I guess this is their own charts. They've improved it a little bit, but it's still not. Yeah, it's still not it. It is still not it. Like, I don't even know if y'all can see. Okay, y'all can kind of see a little bit up on the right side. So this is my order ticket right here. But you got all of these it's too many options. So you got these percentages and stuff. Like futures traders, we don't really go off of percentages like this. At least I don't. Um they got where you could limit in at the mid, the bid, 1%, 5%, 10%. I don't know. I think that's more for a crypto type of thing. And then I thought, like, what is this down here? This module. Okay, here we go. This is just showing my balance, account balance. But yeah, they got to do better.
All I have to say is wow. That's all I had to say.
Oh, did you get stopped out?
Yeah, I got no. It literally tapped my stop and then bounced, bro. Literally, it literally did that.
Yeah.
Damn.
So they have. Rookit asked, do they have a Dom? It's a version of a Dom, but it's not a futures Dom. It's and when I say it's like a crypto type of Dom, which is stupid. That's why I took it off. And I put this order ticket here on the side and just to have my balance. because you can set up different modules or different windows. It's called, what do they call it? They call it the, see, this is the order ticket. They call it a depth chart. So it'll show the order, but it's not. Let me throw it on here so y'all can see. No, that's not it. Hold on. That's not the one I was talking about. Depth chart, where is it at? Order book. So if I click on order book, look at this. It's looking terrible. It's terrible. This is their, I guess, their DOM. And then it's the, yeah. This is horrible. Absolutely horrible. So they got work to do if they want to improve on their own platform. But I just keep the order ticket here in case I want to like limit in. You can buy, sell, or you can buy in. You can, I guess, click on the actual. Oh, y'all can't see it at the top, but I'll move it down. You can click on the actual price right here, and I guess that'll put you in the market or put you in the order. But yeah, this platform is hot garbage. But it's super basic, and I guess it gets the job done. And then they got that order confirmation mess. Like, are you sure you want to buy? Like that, you can turn it off, which I think I did. I think I turned it off. But we don't have, in futures, especially on the NQ, you don't got time for that. Do you want to buy here? Click yes or no. Like, yes, I want to buy here. That's why that's why I clicked it. But yeah, this is what I'm working with for now. The only thing this platform has going for it is the instant deposits. You see, I'm right back in the game after getting liquidated earlier. Right back in the game. That's the only thing. Now, if they added that instant deposit to NinjaTrader, Tradeovate, oh yeah. Obviously, people wouldn't be using their proprietary platform. And yeah, you're right, Rutkit. You are absolutely right. You go on TradingView and search for brokers to trade through. You got NinjaTrader, you got Tradeovate, you got Coinbase, but I'm surprised they do not have Kraken. I am so surprised at that, which is crazy. Iron Condor. Nah, that's what we were talking about, the gamma levels on the options, on the option side on the Qs. I can go back to that if y'all want to see it. Here's the gammas. We got this dark pool volume at 723, and this gamma is trying to push up to 724, and then maybe 725 if we break out, but it's not looking too high right now. On ES. ES is giving us some pushback. But a good sign is the calls are coming in. 722 call, 723, 25, 22. That gives us hope. Above average, below the bid, or at the bid, below the bid. We'll see what happens. We can get a push up, at least to test these highs. us right back at 900. Yeah, it's not looking too hot for the continuation. I think there was a stat like 75 or 73 or 75% of the time the NQ likes to finish back above the initial balance high, which that's a crazy stat. Let me see. Where was London? Oh, well, turn that back on. I don't need that. All right, forget it. So 51 points. This actually might be it. Goodness, I was hoping ES would push for like a double top that would take NQ with it. We push 7 to the 75%. Yeah, damn it. Or do we come back, test my break even, and then go? Remember, since this was a heavy area of resistance, I wonder if they do that, because we're pushing down back into that dark pool volume, back into the 723 gamma. Somebody just put a 726 call. And all of these expire today. 725. We'll see. I should fudge. Let's see, do they come in, test break even, and then run? Or do we fold all the way back down? Fine, I'll put stop above break even. We'll protect it, put stop loss at 820, but we probably gonna get stopped out. As it comes back down, the test break even, and if it bounces from there, I'd be highly upset. Dang, 20-point candle down. Dang. Stopped out. Stopped out. Set to default. Yeah, how the piss do you delete this? I can't even delete it. I don't know. there's the delete for that. Oh, there's the delete. Okay. There we go. So, wow, this thing dropped all the way down to break even. We got a little bounce. The way this is structured, I feel like we go back down, but at least on NQ, but ES, I don't know. All right. Let's see. I think I could set a limit for here. Or should I try? Are they gonna do what I said? Come down here, test break even, and then bounce and rip up. Yeah, like this structure, the way it is, the way the price, these candles are painted on here, it looks like it comes back down. Or should I just target this area again down here? You get the push down, and then I get the better entry. But I don't know if they want to take it all the way back down here again. All right, here we go. Remember, we got stopped out for like 4 points. um, is it still on the board? Oh, let's close that then. Invalid. Check out black box stocks. Where are we sitting at? We're just below that dark pool volume. Should I stick while we're at the 50? Way. Really? Yeah. Yes. Get ES to push down. Maybe this will take in Q with it. So we'll keep an eye on 760 if we can get back down here. Keep an eye on that. If ES pops here, then we're cooked again. Yep, cooked. Dang. Testing the area to push higher. push. It's already up 13 points in this candle. I don't know. Everything suggests NQ wants to try to go lower, maybe, but we need ES to play along. Black box stocks looking like it's failing at 723 level. So yeah, if we could drop down 720. We got a gamma level at 719. That would be a big drop. That'd probably be like 680, maybe lower, 650. Yeah, man, this PA is like horrible right now. So what I was hoping we would do was break down, maybe bounce back up, test this, and then break back down again. But ES has kind of calmed down. They're hanging around VWAP on ES. NQ's trying to push to VWAP. And now they're kind of doing the opposites again. They're diverging from each other once again. ES 5-minute chart has well, as of right now, a red candle. NQ has a green candle. Now I feel like NQ's gonna push and try to maybe lead. At least that's what it's looking like on this 5-minute. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Unless they reject VWAP and just continue pushing down. No, I might as well cut this. I guess this is why you want to be done trading within this little range from here to here. crazy. All right, but scenarios. Let's talk about scenarios and situations. So if we do get a breakdown, first area I'll look at is the 760 area. If we continue a push, to the downside. Maybe the next spot 740. Got my limit here at 22. 719 on the canvas though. Yeah, I don't know. But ES has to cooperate, so ES has to go down to help push along NQ. If she don't cooperate, then we're just gonna be stuck here in limbo. Maybe that was my chance right there to get out. This area is definitely like, you know, was resistance. A lot of wicks. Broke out to the upside. Came back in this area. Popped. Now obviously we got this area that's a bunch of all these wicks down here or up here. And of course we stair step down and pre-market 26-point candle. Okay. And then once we got that drop, tried to push out and break above, wick, wick, wick. Went down to this area. Got the buyers heavily interested down here. And then now here we are. Still haven't broken down below this. I'm fighting for my life at break even. I would love it, love it, love it if on black box stocks we could get down to 719 or 720. This gamma level. That would be great for my position. But I guess now we just wait, man. This is the boring part. Just wait for confirmation. I feel like we can get a close below 800. Or maybe like an aggressive move down, bounce back up, test it, fail, and then maybe we can head lower. That'd probably look something like boom, push down, bounce back up, test, fail, and then possibly head lower to the 760 area. See what it does here, and then, you know, we go from there. Alfred, that's why I said, man, shorts, I just hate short and NQ now. No follow through, no commitment. I absolutely hate it. It's always going back to break even or above break even and just making you feel like you're wrong and uncertain. And then when you're like, okay, well, I'll just take these profits. Let me get out. Let me protect the capital, blah, blah, blah. And then she just, after you're out, that's when she wants to drop. It's never like, oh, well, I got out. And then she reverses and pumps back up. Oh, oof, I'm glad I got out there. Yeah, that's never the case. But I hate shorting now. Shorting used to be so fun. Now it's just a stressful task. Whoa! Whoa! What the freak just. Hey, yo! Whoa! What happened? No! I missed my chance. No! What? Oh no, this is gonna get bought. This is gonna get bought. Oh no. What happened? Ooh, I'm glad you went short, Alfred. Oof. But I need explanation, bro. I need explanation. Somebody tell me what the heck just happened. I don't see anything on the news. Did Trump tweet? Ah, dang. Hey, yo. What? What was that? I gotta look at. Yeah, look at the ES. Jeez Louise. That mess dropped. Okay, black box stocks, it dropped all the way to 721. Small gamma level, but it bounced there for whatever reason. Yo, what was that? Imagine if it went the opposite direction. It popped up. Yeah, we'd been cooked. I need to see what that was, though. We're gonna try to run this delta level. The support down here. Oh, we got two of them. This is so. That's what I'm saying. Shorts are just stressful as F, man. So that ran down here. That was about 73 points at the bottom of this. War news. I don't see anything unless my. Oh, it's. I think the stuff is delayed. Iran are asking for compensation for damage done to them during the last 5-month military conflict. I am likewise demanding compensation from Iran. Okay, Trump is speaking. Instructed my representatives to put this firmly into any and all future negotiations. Okay. So, I didn't know he was. Man, see, I need an indicator or a notification whenever this dude speaks. I'm like, I need to know immediately. Immediately. Because that's like crucial. Protester compensation should be part of Iran talks. Yeah, man. We need the Trump indicator. Whenever he speaks, tweets, we got to know immediately, not delayed. Because that mess is dangerous. Because I'm like, why at 11:30? Why that move at 11:30? Sure enough, it was Trump. Is it 100K a month for Truth Social API? Really? No way. Oh yeah, Trump said he'll charge for his tweets or something like that. He's like, I'll charge y'all 100K a month for so you can get my tweets ahead of time. I remember Sherman talking about that. That is hilarious. I mean, that's a legit real indicator. I'm still in the short. I'm trying to hold out, but I don't like this because where it bounced. I'm hoping it'll come back and attack this area, and then maybe we can get a little bit of follow through. Yeah, how much financial juice don't they charge for like I guess real time? Cuz I guess this was delayed. How many points was that on the ES? That was probably like a good 12, 13 points. Oh, actually, it was like 15, almost 16 points that it dropped. Wow. All right, NQ. ES, take us there, baby. Vindicate me for the day, baby. Take us there. We're in that area. Okay, we reached 760 area. I'm a little nervous about this area. You still good on your short, Alfred? Ah, come on, come on, come on. Finish the move. Finish the move. Buyers trying to buy. Oh no. Dang. Well, I'm still holding. I'll hold for the both of us. Hopefully, I can get vindicated. But I hate shorts now, man. I hate them because we have to clear through this delta area, and it's probably unlikely that we get through it with these shorts unless we get a fast push. We get a fast push down, and then the buyers are ready to buy. They got their buy orders probably sitting down here already as we speak. Look, 750. Yeah, the buyers are ready to buy. What I would like to see is a fast push down. But that's probably not going to happen, though. It's probably not going to happen. Created this other. We can call that an equal low. All right, let's check these gammas. Yeah, we bounced to 721. We can break 721. All right, so I'm just up over a little over 50 points, but it's in that area where we could bounce. You think we attack the initial balance low? So I got an IB low at 719. My TP is at 722. I don't know if we necessarily go lower than that though. I mean, we could, but I doubt it. But if we do, I want to be a part of that. But we got another delta level down here below. 700, 680. And where are we sitting at so far on the day? We're only down 80 points on the day. Let me look at a daily chart. See what that's looking like. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I don't know. What do I do? What do I do? We're approaching 721 gamma level on the Qs. People still putting in their calls. That's funny. Well, this person bought a 720 call in the money below bid. I think that's hedge protection or a strategy to yeah, to hedge. Sitting at 721 gamma. All right, all right, all right. It's looking good, Rut Kit, but it's like, dang, how long do I hold? How low does it go? That's my questions right now. The IB low is 719. We're damn near almost there. I should probably just keep my target there. Just get out at target, huh? But look at it push. I want all of the move, dang it. I want it all. It's approaching my TP, but I want more. I want it all. Vindicate me. Oh, shoot. 700? You think it goes to 700? He's 710. All right, I just got to be ready to close though at a moment's notice. We push up like 10 points, I'm closing. Of course. I say that and then we do it. We got orders below. So buyers are waiting below. We got dark pool at 720. And then we got a gamma at 719. Is this it? This might be the end of the move. If it gets pushed back, this might be the end of it. VWAP from Friday. We know buyers, heavy buyers are sitting in this area. Initial balance low is at 719. Here they come. Okay. $13. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. What are you telling us to do right now? Trump demands compensation in response to Iran demanding compensation. He is so petty. Tick for tat. Okay. Bears, you know you want to step in. Yeah, but this looks like this could flip here. Or is it trying to trap bulls? Hmm. All right. This candle here has to fail. If we push up, then buyers took it. This candle has to fail. Trap bulls in this area. From like here to here. Let's see, let's adjust this. Oh man, this has to fail. We got to get out of here. We have to go lower and get out of this. We want to see a push lower, and then of course it'll probably bounce, and then lower for continuation. But this area down here is heavily, so many orders sitting down here waiting to buy because they feel like it's value. I mean, it's literally value area low, but sometimes that gets invalidated with enough aggression. It can get invalidated and keep pushing. It just depends. It just depends. The smart thing to do would be able to just put my stop in there, but I don't want to get stopped out for 50 points when I can make like potentially 150, 200 points. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Ruckus. Shorts are super annoying. I hate taking them now. I hate it. Because you have all this suspense right here. It's like, oh, the bull's going to step in and reverse this whole move? Or are we going to keep pushing lower? It's never this like a clear, like the bulls know what like, look at this. The bulls know when they want it, they're going to push this thing higher. Look at them, just push this. We get one red candle, whatever. We're buyers in this area. We'll push this thing higher. The bulls know until until they tap out. They get exhausted. But the bears, it's all this indecisiveness. This, oh, I don't know what to do. Oh, there's buyers down here. Should we keep selling? Yes. Sell this thing down. If I'm in the short, yes, keep selling it. Dang it. OpenAI introduces premium seats for ChatGPT. ChatGPT is old news now. We got better products out there. But I probably should just put the unless our next candle gives us a bear continuation. ES is kind of pushing up. That did it. Damn it. That did it right there. Damn ES. Damn. Fail, ES, fail. Fail. If we can get down here, this would be 123 points. To target, that'd be 150, 158. That'd be nice. I hate shorts. I hate shorting. Yep. All of this is true. Value area low, bunch of buyers. My only hope is that they trap them. Trap them in this area and then continue pushing down. But ES is not looking like it's trying to allow that. That was what, 88 points at the low? Damn, man. Maybe this is a two-legged pullback. Maybe we get a drop, pop, then another drop. I doubt it, though. Bears suck. Can't believe I used to be one. It's like the realization you get, then you come to, like, why was I selling this? Why? I could have been a buyer. But I wanted to go against the grain and short. Why? Okay, so let's switch it up. Looks like we got this drop here. Let's pop. Oops, wasn't trying to do that. Yeah, this is like a triple bottom almost too. Buyers are just heavy and heavy in this area. I want them to get trapped though. Let the longs get cooked for once. Cooked and clapped. Bears are always getting clapped. Can we get a W today? Let the bulls get clapped. Too much buy pressure. Wow. 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 Wow, wow, wow. Well, at least Kraken kind of handled that crazy drop. It wasn't too much of like a delay or anything. I'll give them that. The platform stood up. All right, we got our 12 o'clock hourly candle opening up. Can we see a fail continuation, please? Please, NQ, please. Yeah, on the day, we're only down 53 points on the day. You can give us like a 200 point down day. That'll be okay. There are so many buyers in this area, man. So many. Bears fighting for their lives right now. It's just ridiculous. Now, if we tag back in here, we should break it. If we drop back down here, and we should break this area, but I don't know. It's kind of like almost a triple bottom. Okay, they're trying. They're trying. Let me open up Truth Social and see what this dude talking about. That thing just pop up. Are you kidding me? I got tired of these shorts, man. This is exactly why I hate shorting. Exactly why. Jeez. ES ain't even doing moves like this. What? Oh my gosh. You know, it would really be a discount if we drop down to 660. That's a discount for your A. Drop down there, then pamp it. This is so disgusting. Ah, this is disgusting. I hate bears. I hate shorting now. Gosh, this is disgusting. You can't even get a continuation move down. That's crazy. Man, forget it. Just take the damn profits. That's disgusting, man. Wow. Wow. Damn, they pissed me off. And now look. Look what happens. Alright, man. I'm done. I've had enough of this. Look at this. Straight up bull crap, man. I'm done. I'm done. Wow. I mean, I know the buyers are heavy down. I know. I just was hoping that the Bears would give some sort of follow through. Some sort of follow through. Maybe test the IB low. They couldn't even do that. Like, dang, man. They just trash. Couldn't even get to 719 or lower. I know they're heavy down here. I know, but this is, yeah, I'm done. This just, I'm done. Effing ridiculous. Right? At least give us a new low on the day. At least you could have at least tested that. I'm over it. So over it. Uh, whatever. Take this off. Wow. I hate this market. I hate shorts. I hate bears. Shoot, I hate longs too. I hate them all. I just hate the market. What's going on, Muhammad? Long time no see. Yeah, brother. Yeah, let's see what happens here. I just hate this market, man. Let me take this off my chart, clean it up a little bit. Yeah, where you been at, bro? Been on sabbatical? Just chilling? Ah, that's what's up. You working on changing up the market, huh? I know you a market maker. Changing up the market. It's like, yeah, we gotta switch it up. They're on to us. I don't even know what to do with this right now. Structure wise, yeah, could go higher. Yeah. I mean, traded. I don't know. Look at the structure here. Arrows, maybe some down to here. Hmm. Yeah, I guess Sherm doing all right. He's still trading every day. Yeah, Alfred is now CEO of Take Profit Trader. Took all their money, ran up his accounts, as you should. As you very well should. Development program. They really have something like that? Hell no. Hey, yo, this better not. They better not drop this here. They better not. This better not be it. Shoot. It's a lot of mental blocks and mental struggles, at least for me, trading my own personal money. What was it like last week? Started with a $250 account, grew that mess to 1200, and then two bad trades just, or two bad trade management, I should say, cost me the whole account. Okay. this looks weak here. Watch we get it like a liquidity sweep or something. Yeah, I'm done for today, guys. I'm just not feeling this action anymore. I'll probably be back on tonight with Sherm in the evening session, so we'll see. But I'm over this. Over it. And then I'll hopefully try to catch y'all in the morning on the next one. Or the next one after. We'll see. Muhammad, it was cool. You checking in, joining again. Nice talking to you. For sure, I'll let them know. But I'm just over this. I'm done. This market. I'm done. All right, appreciate everybody. I'll see y'all. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.